And for Hong Kong, please introduce yourself.
Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. I'm Marlene Cobrado. I'm 36 years old, married with 5 children, ages 17, 14, 11, 10, and 7 years old. I'm a Roman Catholic and a high school graduate. I have experience abroad as domestic helper for 2 years and 10 months, from August 2022 to June 2025. I served 5 members of the family with 2 adults and 3 children, ages 11, 8, and 2 years old.
You mentioned you work as domestic helper in Kuwait for 2 years and 10 months. Tell me about your responsibilities in your previous job.
My duties and responsibilities are to take care of children, ironing, cleaning, cooking, and taking care of the pets.
Okay, nice to hear. Can you tell us how you will take care of the children?
I will take care of the children by doing their proper hygiene, taking a bath, checking their ears, nails, and of course by playing them and giving them food and something they want.
Okay, nice to hear. What are some of your skills?
I love organizing and cooking.
Okay, you said you know how to cook. Do you have any experience in Chinese cooking?
I don't have experience cooking Chinese food, but I'm ready to learn and willing to be trained.
Okay, nice to hear. What are the traits necessary to be a good domestic helper?
Being responsible, good, respectful, and trustworthy.
Okay, nice to hear. Anything else you want to tell to your future employer?
To all employers in Hong Kong, if you're giving me a chance to be your servant, to be your helper, I promise I will be respectful, trustworthy, servant,